U.S. government has issued a national emergency for the continental United States, effective as of 11:59 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. There have been multiple sightings of more than a dozen unidentified objects of unknown motive and origin that have landed across major population areas around the world. These unidentified suspended objects are around 1,400 feet long, stone-like material of unknown nature, like that of a black oval stone, flattened in shape, resembling an enormous obsidian concave lens. These objects are suspected to be extraterrestrial and might endanger civilian populations. The United States Armed Forces have been deployed to the incident site in order to investigate the unidentified objects. Given the uncertainty concerning these objects, all non-essential services have been instructed to cease, all planned flights have already been canceled, and all ongoing flights have been redirected to the closest airport in proximity to their location. At this moment, all civilians outside of danger zones are urged to seek shelter, pack enough food, water, clothes, medical supplies, a flashlight, important documents, a first aid kit, toiletries, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio to endure the course of the emergency.